after using Zen Browser for about a month now, I have come across a few mods which I think are very useful to install. But first, let me show you how to actually install Zen Browser mod. If you have Zen Browser open, make sure that you navigate here on the three dots on the top right. And here, click on the settings. Now, once you're here, go down below and click on the Zen mods. Now here you will pretty much see which mods I have installed, and I will go through every single one of them in this video. However, if you just want to install a generic mod, just click here on Visit Store, and this will redirect you to this link right here. And here you can look at a few of the mods which you can install for your Zen browser. If you go, for example, at this midnight theme, you can simply click on Install Theme. Now to uninstall Zen mod, you can simply go back to the settings by going here on the right, click on the settings and go back here to the Zen mods. Now here, just simply click remove theme. Now let's go through the mods which I highly recommend of using. Now the first one is called CollapseTabXButton. Now what this one will do, if you have tabs like this, you will see this X on top of the tab. So this is very handy because you can just close the tab right here by just clicking this X. This is what I highly recommend, because if you don't install this theme, you aren't actually able to close the tab right here. You can just close the tab by using the shortcut on your keyboard, Command and W. This is one of the mods which I highly recommend of installing. And next mod is called NowPlaying Indicator. So whenever you are playing, let's say, YouTube video or Spotify music on your Zen browser, then you can simply see the NowPlaying Indicator here on the tab row. So let me just show you this one real quick. So if I search for my channel, and this is how the NowPlaying Indicator looks like here on the Zen browser in the tab row right here. So I think this is a very useful mod to have. And now let's go through the third one, which is called floating URL bar. Now, floating URL bar, it does this. So when you are here on the first page or wherever, and if you click here on the title bar on the top, this will move the title bar to the somewhere on the top half of the screen. So this is what I really like. And here you will see that you have this faded black. This input field is right now in the focus, and you can search, for example, to something else. I think this is really inspired by the Arc browser. So when you click on Command and T on the Arc browser, this will have the similar effect to this exact mod, which is called floating URL bar. Now here on the Zen browser, to activate this shortcut on Arc browser is Command and T, but on the Zen browser is Command and K. So this is how it at the moment looks like. So this is one of the features which I really like from this mod. And now let's talk about the last mod, which is called Super Gradient. Now, Super Gradient will add gradient theme on your Zen browser, which I think looks very, very cool. And here is the comparison between the Zen browser and the gradient theme on the Arc browser, which look very, very similar, because you can also add the grain to it as well. So here, if I go to the Zen mods, I will go here to the Super Gradient, and you can already see that I have this theme installed. So here, if I click on this gear icon, you will see here that you have a few of the options. First one is called Gradient Preset, and here you'll basically see a few of the presets, how they look like. For example, Midnight Majesty, and this is how this one looks like. Then here down below, you can also adjust gradient intensity. For example, you can go to really intense, or you can go to really subtle, and this is how it looks like. And then you can also add film grain intensity. So you can choose from three options: subtle, normal, or intense. And this is how this grain looks like here on the Zen browser with this mod. So I think this one also looks very, very good. Then down below, you also have options for the custom gradient. If you want to create one, here select custom gradient, and here enter the color codes. Here down below, you'll find three of the options as well. This saturates the color of the gradient, so it will make the colors a bit more pale. And here you also have use Zen accent colors. So here, let's take a look at this. Make sure that you focus on this icon here. So if I disable this, you will see how it looks like. So it blends in with the rest of the tab bar. However, if I enable this, it will pop out a bit more. And here down below, we also have switches the colors orders in the gradient. So if you want to change the look of the gradient, you can just simply enable this, and it will make the gradient look a bit different. This is the last mod which I highly recommend of installing, and I think this is is pretty much it for this Zen Browser video. Thank you so much for watching. If you got the value from it, make sure that you click on the like button and subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already. And if you want to check out my wallpaper, make sure that you click the first link in the video description below. With that said, have an amazing rest of your day, and I will see you all around in the next video.